Welcome to my kitchen, retirement days. And we have new subscribers, so welcome to the family. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And like and share so we can get these videos out. Today, I'm going to make blueberry chicken. And I have a lot of chicken breasts, so I'm going to half of it I'm going to do blueberry chicken, and the other half I'm just going to fry up. So come join me. Here's an update on the garden. Look at everything's growing really good here. Really good. These are all going to be yellow flowers. I'm looking forward to that. These on the end here, one is a mum that's stuck in there that'll come in the fall, but the other ones have purple flowers on them. And of course the rose bush is really doing it, really going well, really pretty. I only saw one bug that I had to spray, but oh, the birds are mad because I'm right next to them, to their nest. You're okay. The garden's going really well. The fountain fell over and it's clogged, so that has to be cleaned out. But yeah, the garden, my marigolds are growing in the pot. These are gonna be orange, the orange lilies. And look at my peonies are starting to bloom. It's the first year that they've bloomed for me. Oh, I have to spray. Look at there. Look at those dirty little rotten things. He fell to the ground. Now I'm going to have to find him and kill him. Yeah, everything's looking good. I got 3 tomatoes behind the rock garden there. But everything's looking good, even pretty. My cucumbers are coming along. It's been really cold at night, but I got 2 of them here. They'll climb the trellis. And these are doing really well. Yep, these are doing really well. My little garden here in front of the porch. We can sit in the porch and watch the hummingbirds. We got it so close. Okay, I'm going to give my chicken a little sear. Gonna use a little bit of butter too. A little olive oil and a little butter. And this, I'm going to fry the chicken over here, so I'm gonna put more butter in that. All right. Now, and then I thought I just had these in the freezer, so I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. My husband won't want a vegetable, so I'm just gonna have a salad on this side. Okay. Now this is going to be for my fried chicken. So I'm going to put a little bit of accent in it. I don't know, I like it when I'm fried chicken. And I'm also going to put some onion powder. Here's my poultry seasoning. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. And some paprika. And some pepper. Yeah. And some salt. not too much. We'll add salt later. I'm just going to set that aside. First, I'm going to get this chicken going. And usually I let the chicken sit out a little bit before I start frying it, but I totally was busy doing something else. But I did dry it, so I'm just going to put that in there. This is for the blueberry chicken. And this one, I'm just going to do just a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to put a little bit of Dijon Mustard on the top, just a little, just for the extra tang. Put that on, try not on high, because I just want to give it a good sear. Now what I'm going to do is spill blueberry juice all over that hamburger. Now, oh, and I just stepped in it. Oh, gross. I feel like having blueberries on the bottom of my feet. Yeah, you think it's funny, don't you? Because you always wear socks. Now I'm going to add, I want it a little thinner, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. I did get my stitches out though, but I have to wear a Band-Aid for 2 days. One of the stitches actually fell out over the weekend. I don't know. Maybe it was because I was gardening 2 days in a row. Could be. Let me check this. Not quite the color I want. I don't know, I looked up blueberry chicken recipes and really none of them I was interested in, so I thought I would just improvise, do it myself. I know that my husband loves pie filling because it's got sugar in it. He loves sugar, so he would eat this. See what we got here. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, I'm going to be using a cooking bag. I got a tablespoon of flour in there. Now, I'm going to I'm going to shake that up a little bit more. I want the really tender chicken, so okay, I am going to put the chicken in here, in the bag. Look at the crust on that. Nice. Okay, now, oh, I got grease spotted everywhere. I'm so OCD. I gotta stop. Okay, no, don't worry about it right now. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush some, can you see that? Hope you can see that. I'm going to brush some Dijon mustard over the top of this chicken. Just for a little sweet and tangy. Okay, that should be good. Now, I'm going to pour the blueberry sauce over the chicken. And it'll just cook in that, right? That's what I'm thinking. Probably need to wipe that off. I didn't mean to get it on the outside of the bag here. Okay, that's in there. Chicken with the blueberries. Let's see, where's my thing here? Okay, it's a good thing I had another one. Yeah, there wasn't any of these ties in the last box. I had another box that was unopened, so gotta have the ties, right? Okay, we can figure this out. All right, now I gotta cut that. Okay, like 6 of them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. It said 30 minutes, but I'll see. I might go longer. See, I think it's ready. Yep, that's what I wanted to hear. Okay, you need to turn it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I want to take a piece. Good crust on that. I'm going to turn it down. And okay, I'm going to stick this in the chicken here and let's see what we got. Oh, 184, okay. Yeah, it's done. I like it crispy though. So now I'm going to transfer it to the plate here. Because we like our chicken crispy. Alright, that's done. These turned out wonderful in the air fryer. Nice and crispy. Can you hear that? Ooh. I looked at the package and there was already oil in them, so they're seasoned already. So that's all I did was just put them in the air fryer. Okay, I had the blueberry chicken in there for about 35-40 minutes. So now we're going to open it up. Some of the flour didn't. Some of the flour got on there. It's all right. We can handle that. Oh, look at that. Okay. That looks delicious. These are sliding all over the place. So now I'm going to transfer this here, and this one here. And I'm going to, okay. I want that blueberry sauce right over that. turn off the oven. That looks so good. Look at that. I'm going to double check it, but I'm sure it's done. It was in there for quite a while. Yeah, it's at 180. Chicken is done. I'm going to cut off a little piece so I can taste it. Because I want to taste this. Okay, let's put this up here so you can see me tasting it. The blueberry chicken. I know that fried chicken's gonna be good. Isn't it amazing? See, this is what happens when we cook. We always look better in our intro than we do in our outro. Because cooking is hard work. Especially when you're sweating and it's 88 degrees in your kitchen. This is really good. Really good. I like this. Something that you'll have to try and see if you like it. I like it. Oh, my husband's gonna like that too. It's sweet. You just can't even really taste the Dijon mustard that I put on it. But, oh, yeah. Yeah, this is like, I want another bite, but I gotta wait till I take a picture of it. YouTubers, you know what I mean. Because I want to take a photo first. And then I'm gonna chow down on blueberry chicken and fried chicken. And pretty soon my French fries are gonna be done. And I got my salad. And that'll pretty much be my calories for the whole day. That's alright. It's supper time. I won't be able to snack tonight, that's all. I already snacked on Fritos this morning. That was my breakfast. And if my doctor's watching, I'm sorry. But you know what? I was in Walmart and I saw those chili Fritos and it's like, I was hungry. So I succumbed. I succumbed to the temptation. Thanks for joining me today for blueberry chicken and fried chicken. Yum. It's really good. And of course, potato wedges. I just bought the frozen in the air fryer. They're perfect. So thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. And I would really appreciate if you would like and share my videos. Help the algorithm get my videos out there. Thank you, and I appreciate all my subscribers. And don't forget, I pray for you every morning. And I've said it before, my email is on my channel. And if you need a specific prayer, just email me privately and I will pray for you. I love to pray and I get results because I know that prayer is answered. So we see you next time for something different. Might be a little wild, I don't know. And something new, maybe. But remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.